I'm here with David Goldschlag, CEO and co-founder at Aembit. We're going to go through Mr. NHI's Human Identity in the Hot Seat. Are you ready, David?
I am ready.
Okay, are orgs taking NHI risks seriously enough?
Yes. Not enough, but they're taking it serious.
Great. Is IAM for AI more important than AI for IAM?
I think IAM for AI is more important. You need to solve this access problem in order to improve efficiency through agents.
Great. Does agentic AI security equal NHI security?
So the foundation is the same. NHIs need to access enterprise data, systems, and tools. Agents need to do that too. But the authentication mechanisms may be different. Agents operate with users. NHIs don't.
Thanks. Do you think CISOs are ready for the fleet of autonomous agents?
I am finding that technology cycles are much more compressed than they were before, and CISOs are much more embracing of change because these changes are really important to the organization.
Great. Are you a fan of vibe coding?
I'm a fan of decentralization, so I think that it's really good if employees can do their jobs better and figure out how to do their jobs better.
Great. Do you think static long-lived credentials will still exist in 5 years' time?
Yes, as much as things are moving fast, okay, the old persists for a long, long time. Who just showed that one of the LLMs can code COBOL? Who would even talk about that?
Amazing. Yeah, I've had my own experience with LLMs where I asked it to give me some code and it just told me to hard code, static credentials. It's shocking.
That's how it works. Correct.
Right. Do you think orgs are putting time to market ahead of security controls for agents?
That's been the general pattern for security in general. Function has to go first. I think the difference here is these agents are accessing enterprise data systems and tools. And the enterprise is saying, I need to protect those data systems and tools. Let me find a way to do that.
Great. And do you think PAM will change dramatically with agentic AI?
So I was talking to somebody here before. We seem to reinvent old technologies for new use cases, and the old technologies don't apply to the new use cases at the ground level, right? At the 100,000 foot level, everything's the same. So PAM, it sort of sounds like there's a need for agent PAM, but I really think it's a zero standing privilege, just in time with dynamic privilege escalation, and that's not the old style PAM companies.
Got it? And then finally, will an AI agentic digital workforce lead to mass unemployment?
I have 4 kids, okay, so I'm confident that we react in the moment too strongly to change, okay. This will be a huge change over time, but I'm very optimistic.
Great. Well, thank you, David, for being in the hot seat.